Welcome to another video. In this video we're going to look at the area of a square and rectangle. The area is the amount of space inside an object. We're going to focus on the area of a square or rectangle, and the area of a square and rectangle has a formula which is equal to the base multiplied by the height. The base is the distance along the bottom of the rectangle or square, and the height is the distance perpendicular or 90 degrees to the base. Some teachers like to call them base and height, and some teachers like to call it length and width. Doesn't matter which you choose. If we took a rectangle and we calculated its length and its width, or its base and its height, in this example we have a base of 6 and a height of 3. You can see that we've broken it up into 18 squares. So the area of this rectangle is 18 centimeters squared. Notice that cm with a little 2 means centimeters squared. That tells us there are 18 squares inside this rectangle that are all 1 centimeter by 1 centimeter. Hopefully you realize a quick way of doing this is to multiply the base, which is 6, by the height, which is 3, to get 18. Alright, example 1. Calculate the area of the following rectangle. Well, the base is 9 and the height is 4. So the area is equal to base times height, which is equal to 9 times 4. And that gives us 36 millimeters squared. Alright, example 2. Calculate the area of the following square. Well, the base is 3, and we don't have a height, but because it's a square we know the height is also 3. So the area is equal to base times height, which is 3 times 3, which gives us 9 centimeters squared. Right, example number 3. Calculate the area of the following rectangle. Well, the base is 80 millimeters and the height is 5 centimeters. We have a small problem. One's in millimeters and one's in centimeters. If we took the 5 centimeters, we can change it into millimeters. We've learned how to do that in a previous lesson. There are 10 millimeters in a centimeter, so we're going to multiply by 10 to get 50 millimeters. So the area is equal to base times height, which is equal to 80, which is the base, multiplied by 50, which is now the height, in millimeters. 80 times 50 gives 4,000 millimeters squared. We changed both into millimeters, so the units are millimeters squared. Notice though, if we kept it all in millimeters, 80 times 50 gives 4,000 millimeters squared. You might have chosen to take the 80 millimeters and turn that into centimeters. 80 divided by 10 makes 8 centimeters, so the rectangle is 8 centimeters by 5 centimeters. And if I worked out the area, 8 times 5 gives 40 centimeters squared. Notice that 4,000 millimeters squared and 40 centimeters squared is the same area. And both are acceptable. Right, thank you very much for watching.